Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And to be honest, I was extremely overwhelmed when I received many comments and messages yesterday that you all have made good profit from my analysis. You all have made 90 pips profit, 70 pips profit from my analysis. Really, it was very much overwhelming. I was extremely happy and overjoyed when I got to know that you all are benefiting from my analysis, because when I recommended a buy level yesterday on GBP USD, it was in a very critical position. It was standing at the resistance, but still I recommended a buy, going against the tide of the market, because as per my analysis it was a buy call. And yes, as expected, market did move up and you all have made good profit. So things have changed now a little bit. Okay, let's discuss what should be your strategy for the day. So as expected, market did move, and right now you can see that market is trading at 1.3875. This is the current market price. So this is not a good position to execute execute any order here. Okay, because the market has gone up, and if you look at the position of the stochastic RSI also, you can clearly see on the chart that the market is in overbought zone. Okay, and there is also a divergence also. You can see that price has made a higher high, whereas the indicator has made a flat line here. So we also have a divergence here, plus market is in the overbought zone. Therefore this is not the ideal position to go for any order here. You all have made good money yesterday, so wait for some time now. Wait for the market to come down to your price level again, so that you get the best opportunity. Let's discuss. So first and foremost, market is in overbought zone. Secondly, divergence. Thirdly, we have a resistance here. Okay, now forget about this line. Okay, this line is no more required. I'll be removing this line. This line is no more required, and right now market is just standing at the resistance. So we have got three reasons here. Okay, one, two, three reasons here not to trade right now. And as market has gone up from here, and therefore I will not recommend a sale also, because see, try to understand my words here, try to understand the market psychology here. See, there was a sharp fall here, and after that there was a good recovery also. Okay, and looking at this recovery and this particular green candles, it clearly suggests that buyers are present in the market, buyers are there in the market, and still they are not in a mood to go down that easily. Though market is in overbought zone, though market is standing at the resistance, but still market is not in the mood to go down that easily. As a result, you can see that it has formed three candles, which means that market is standing at the resistance for the past 12 hours. For 12 hours market is standing at the resistance, and still buyers are trying to go for an uptrend again. Therefore this is not the ideal position to buy here. You have made money, now wait for some time. And if we go to the weekly chart here, then you can see that as expected market did move. I clearly mentioned that weekly chart is extremely important, and this is the reason. I told you in the previous video also, and before that also, that you should not mess with the weekly chart, and you can see that market did respect this level. Therefore this level is very important. Okay, I can see that clearly we have, or the market has managed to respect the support line, and market is trading comfortably now above this support line. Okay, so what should be our strategy for the day? The strategy is simple. Okay, as market is overbought zone, therefore market will come down. So according to the present setup of the chart, the best trading opportunity is this level, this support level. This support level is the most safe option for the chart right now. 1.3756. Okay, this is the most safe level in the chart right now. So in case there is a fall in the market or selling pressure in the market, then again you can expect that you will get a good position to buy at this level, so in case you get GBP USD at this price level, then definitely it's a buy call. Definitely it's a buy call at 1.3756 level, because it is so because this level or this support belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big players, the big boys, and this level has been acting as a support for the market since March. Since March, this level is acting as support for the market, so you can clearly understand the importance of this support level. Clear? So first level is clear to us, and second level is, in case market comes down, okay, in case market comes down, but many times you can see that market never comes down to this particular level. Okay, on the other hand, it just bounces from the middle portion. Okay, in that case, what you can do is that I'll just request you to draw this line here. Okay, in your trading platform or charting platform, please draw these lines in the 4-hour chart. Okay, after joining these price levels, you can draw a trend line here. Okay, so in case market comes down and takes support at this trend line, then still there is a possibility that market may bounce from here only. In case you find market bouncing from this trend line, you can also go for buy at this level, because this will be your dynamic support. Okay. The weekly support still remains the safest trading opportunity, but on the other hand, this support level or this trend line may also act as a dynamic support and give a good support to the market. Yeah, so this is the first trading opportunity, and this trend line is the second trading opportunity. And looking at the present bullishness in the market, I will not recommend a sell, because if you go for a sell order, there is a possibility that you may get trapped. So do not go for any sell order. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You can see that still 81% retail traders have taken short position, which means they are on the selling side, and only 18% retail traders have taken long position, or else they are in the buying side. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the main reason. Okay, you should not follow the retail traders. This is the main reason, because see, yesterday also I think the figure was around 79% retail traders were short position, and still I recommended a buy for you, and you can see the market did move up. Therefore, though 81% retail traders are short in this market, but still I'll say that you should not short the market. Wait for the perfect opportunity so that you get the best price to buy. This market is right now under the influence of buyers, influence of bulls, therefore only look for buy position. Right now market is in the overbought zone, there is a divergence also, and market is standing at a resistance, so no need to buy right now. Wait for the market to come down to your price level so that you get the best opportunity. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.